I'm Jay Cashmere. Convicted child abuser Tim Ferriter remains at the Palm Beach County Jail tonight. A hearing to determine whether he should be released on house arrest until his sentencing next month is on hold. Judge Howard Coates didn't make a ruling from the bench, instead saying he needs to review case law before issuing a written order. He indicated he would move to do that promptly to get that out as soon as possible. Ferriter was back in court today for the hearing after being convicted a week ago for locking his adopted son in a box-like structure in his garage for hours on end. His attorneys want him out of jail so he can prepare for his sentencing. They argue he doesn't have custody of any of the children and is not a flight risk. They also told the judge their client would surrender his passport and wear a monitoring device and would reside in Palm Beach County.
In terms of the address, I'm happy to provide the address to the state. I'm happy to have them go and do whatever they need to do to make sure that there's no child at the house or anything of that nature.
He's been convicted, and now that there's a mandatory prison sentence, that creates a substantial risk of a flight risk, Your Honor, that was not present before, and also leans against that it would be appropriate for pre-sentencing release.
Now, we'll of course keep you posted when Judge Coates makes a ruling. Ferriter will be sentenced November 16th. He faces up to 40 years in prison after being convicted of child abuse, child neglect, and false imprisonment. His wife Tracy is facing the same charges and is awaiting trial.